I do believe this is the most beautiful Mustang I've seen. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's a 1967 Mustang Coupe in this absolutely magnificent blue color, and it's even painted that way underneath. It's a full ground up restoration. Everything's been redone. Under the hood's a Performance 289, air conditioning, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, posi rear end, deluxe interior. This is a knockout of a Mustang. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 knockout collector cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with full descriptions and pictures and videos and finance information. It's all at volocars.com, including the salesman's contact. They can help answer whatever questions you have. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. There's a QR code on your screen. You can scan it at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car. And there's a link in the description. It's absolutely stunning. I am a sucker for blue, and this is the best looking blue I've ever seen. This has the Sprint hood, so it has the louvers here with the built-in turn signals. And the metal on this car is absolutely laser beam straight from the rockers to the roof. I don't see a dimple, a ripple, a bubble. I don't see anything like that. The gaps are spot on. Opens beautifully. The jambs are all slick. Shuts nice and solid. Up in the roof, there's not a dimple. Coming down the quarter panels, even behind the tire. This is all amazing body work. And it was all done by the second owner. It's a two-owner California car. The second owner did the full restoration. We have a stack of documentation and photos. It was taken down to a shell. That'll all go with it. I mean, there's a stack of documents like that. And again, all of this is just continuing to be phenomenal. Look at the reflection of my hand. Again, I haven't found a ripple, a crack. I've not found anything like that. A little bit of wax that wipes off. The door is lined up, spot on, shuts like new. What a great looking car. I noticed they left the emblems off the front fender for a nice clean look. So it's such a dark blue. I'm looking back there, it looks black. I'm looking here where the light hits it and it pops. And very small metallic with a blue sparkle, a shimmer. It's beautiful. Now, right now, I can see the ghost stripes. It's a lighter metallic blue stripes. They go over the top of the car. There's times you don't see them at all, and then there's times like right here, it's popping. So really nice job with the ghost stripes. And this paint is polished like glass. Looks like you could reach right into it. Looks like all this stainless trim is replaced, and it's all shiny. The vent window frame is new. Deluxe mirrors on both sides, new door handles, optional wheel well moldings, original rear glass. It's good, not new. The back bumper, tail lights, gas cap, all that is sparkling, beautiful trim. The moldings around the window are new. And it's sitting on 15-inch, I think they're 15 by 8 GT wheels. With blue center caps. They're wrapped in BFGoodrich tires. They got a nice meaty tire wheel package on there. This mirror is remote. The windshield's been replaced. And coming around the front here, it does have the GT fog lamps in the grille. Everything up here is looking really sharp as well. I got some more cool stuff to show you. All right, let's look in the trunk of this beautiful blue Mustang. More beautiful blue paint. Everything under the trunk lid, the jamb, inside, all clean metal, all painted gloss blue. Battery is relocated to the trunk. Weather strip is replaced. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. That color is stunning. And the jambs are all painted real nice. The latches are clean. Sill plates are replaced. Weather strips, window seals were replaced. So this is a deluxe interior that has the molded door panel with the brushed aluminum inserts. It has working interior lights at the bottom of the door with the little vented louvers down there. Dash pad is replaced. Part of the Deluxe interior is that brushed aluminum continues across the dash. This has all been painted blue instead of the black that it would have come with. And they've installed a little mini tachometer right in there. It looks like factory. Again, painted blue. This here is a modern conversion. It looks like an old AM/FM radio, but it's got modern internals. All this is nice and clean. Look at how the glove box door is painted. And then the speakers are right here in the kick panel. They're molded in. Nice fresh black carpet with embroidered floor mats. You got the floor shifter. You do have seat belts front and back. Now you'll immediately feel the brand new seats when you sit on them. This is all new cushion, nice and firm, and no wrinkles in the seat. And the Deluxe interior has these hard seat backs, and that all looks new as well. This is all reupholstered. Seat belts look new. They say Ford right on them. Reproduction. Side panels have been upholstered, it feels like. Then everything back there is looking good. Headliner's replaced. And then look at this. It has an overhead console with the brushed aluminum. Has the light. New visors, new mirror. Steering wheel's painted blue also. Real nice and slick. The whole big chrome ring in the middle is all new. So very, very nice interior. Let's go check out that engine. Yep, both those map lights do work. There's a switch for each one on the overhead console. So more of the beautiful blue. The whole engine bay is painted slick, and at the heart of it is a 289 motor, and that's got a performance build on it. It has a comp cam, aluminum, a little bit of a high-rise intake, a dual feed Holley carburetor with electric choke. It's got some headers, nice matched set of valve covers and air cleaner. And again, look how clean the engine bay is. And then down here, see the hoses, the AC lines, heater lines, they run behind here. So out of the way. Alternator looks fresh. The relay looks fresh. Runs cool with an aluminum radiator. And it's complete. Has the horns. Has the washer fluid bag that's all hooked up. And then it has a modern air conditioning system. Power steering. Also, it's a billet distributor with electronic ignition. Some pretty fat Ford racing plug wires. And we also have power brakes. So it's got everything under here. It's got some nice performance, got the options, and it's detailed up real sharp. Michael's going to show you how nice it performs. I'll see you in a minute.
Sounding proper. I think you guys are going to love the exhaust mode on this one. Started up real easy for me. It's a nice clean idle. Been running really good ever since. Got the air conditioner on, nice and comfortable. Did have a chance to take it around the block. Performs well, very nimble, and happy to say it's done absolutely everything I wanted it to. Let's see what she's got. Cruising 60 miles an hour just like that. Smooth operator. I can listen to that exhaust all day long. steering. It's a great cruiser. And this paint out in the sunlight, extremely impressive. Just like the undercarriage. So if you'd like to see that it's a great cruiser, come down to the museum and do a test drive and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath the car is more of this gorgeous blue. The floors, the frame rails are all spotless metal, painted gloss blue. It even has frame connectors welded in front to back. If you didn't know it, they look like the factory put them there. And that helps prevent the body twist. All of the suspension and steering completely rebuilt and detailed. All the front components are gloss finish, new springs, upgraded sway bar in front, gas shocks all the way around. Real nice sounding dual exhaust system with a crossover pipe, Flowmaster muffler, stainless tips coming out the back. It's dual exhaust, of course. The brake system is new and it's upgraded with disc at all 4 of the wheels. You look up at the motor, it is absolutely clean as a high torque starter. Has a performance-built C4 automatic with a custom stall converter. Has a vented oil pan to help keep the fluid cool. Rebuilt drive shaft and it's gloss and the nuts and bolts are fresh. Going back to a 9-inch rear end that's all painted smooth and glossy. And that was all rebuilt. It has 3.0 posi gears in it. The fuel tank's also painted this color, sending units new. So it's an absolutely gorgeous car. I really, really love this color. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions like how to get this 67 Mustang in your garage. Thanks for watching.